Alright, 2013 Chrysler 300. This was brought by a customer. Customer complained that it's leaking coolant. Alright, so seems like we found the coolant leak right there. There where the T connector is. Right there on the heater hose T connector. I don't know if you can see that. Right there is the leak right there. Is the where the T connector is. Alright, anyway, it's on that T connector. It's the other one, the other T connector underneath. That's where the leak is. Alright guys, we got the heater hose right here. Alright, so we'll be replacing the heater hose that's leaking. Alright, so what we do on that heater hose is attached to this coolant reservoir. It's right on the bottom there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to lift this one up. So there's two bolts right here, 1 and 2, and then we'll pull this one up. Okay, and then we're ready to also remove the hose clamps there, and also on the firewall, hose clamps on the firewall. Okay. Alright, so the hose that we will be replacing is the one on the bottom, on the right. Already, so we're gonna disconnect that from the firewall. Okay, and it goes right there. We're gonna be disconnecting that too. Okay. Alright, now let's get started. Alright, I'm using a vice grip. So right here is our clamp. Alright guys, so I'm using a long nose right here. Okay. Alright, I think I got that thing off. There now. I just need to start pulling the hose out. Okay. Okay, so I have to use this bar right here. I'm gonna pry that hose up. There you go. I got him out. You can see it's out. Okay. Alright guys, and here's the reservoir right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that line, and we're ready to replace this hose. The problem is this one right here. See, this one is cracked. See it? Yeah, it's that one right there. That one. That's the one that's cracked. Alrighty. Alright guys, we have everything put together. Right there is the hose. Alright, and hook up right there. There is the hose hooked up, and also for our reservoir. Alright, okay, and thank you for watching my video.